In today's video, I'm going to teach you how ChatGPT can help grow your business. Think of ChatGPT as a flexible assistant that supports your strategy and daily work, helping you move faster with more confidence. We'll cover how it can assist with planning, marketing, customer support, and operations, and I'll share tips for getting the best results along the way. Start by using ChatGPT for business planning and idea generation. You can explore new product concepts, outline a business plan, or pressure test assumptions by asking for pros, cons, and potential risks. It also helps improve communication with customers by drafting clear messages, proposals, or updates that match your brand's tone. For repetitive tasks, let it create templates for outreach, meeting notes, or status updates so you save time while staying consistent. When you need quick access to information and research, ask for summaries, comparisons, or overviews. Then verify key details before you act. For marketing and content creation, ChatGPT is especially helpful. It can generate social media captions, hooks, and campaign ideas tailored to your audience. Provide context, your goal, platform, and tone to get stronger results. It can write blogs, product descriptions, and advertisements that you can refine to fit your brand voice. When building email marketing content, use it to draft subject lines, nurture sequences, and promotional emails. It can also assist with branding and messaging strategies by helping you define positioning statements, taglines, and value propositions, ensuring your message is clear and consistent across channels. In customer support and engagement, use ChatGPT to draft responses to common inquiries with a friendly, professional tone. Build a set of AAQs and support documentation that your team can maintain over time. This improves response speed and consistency, especially when you provide examples of past replies or your policy guidelines. Clear communication enhances customer interaction, so include step-by-step instructions, links to resources, and next steps in each message. On the productivity and operations side, ChatGPT can organize schedules, plans, and workflows by turning scattered notes into structured action lists and timelines. It assists with reports, summaries, and documentation, helping you extract insights from meetings, surveys, or performance data. When you face business challenges, use it to brainstorm solutions and weigh trade-offs. For decision-making, ask for structured information like pros and cons, criteria checklists, and scenario outlines. In summary, ChatGPT helps businesses save time and improve efficiency. It's useful across marketing, support, and operations, and it supports growth by increasing productivity. Treat it as a tool that assists your business strategy and daily tasks, and always review and tailor outputs to fit your goals and brand.